This is the Andronix XE118. Of course, that's the front of it. The backup screen is not lit up yet until we actually turn it on, and we need it. Most of the information will be on the cell phone right there, as you can see it. And of course, that's the XE118 detector. It's going to be a new detector by Andronix. Once again, that's the XE118 by Andronix. The back's not shown. All the stuff comes in the back. The battery's in the back. Everything is recessed back in, so you can set it on its end and power the mat if you want to. That is the XE118 detector. 118 because 118 elements that it detects. Once again, let's look at it. Red, yellow, and green. When this is operational, what happens if you have a green signal, you have a lock. Yellow possibly, and red, no material you're looking for is detected. Now you got the front eyelet and the back eyelet, and you have a strap that you can just strap it around and hold it and put it over your shoulder. Everything comes with chargers, eyelets, and of course instruction manuals. Very easy to operate. Has an automatic switch in the back. When we get the other video, you'll see the unit coming on automatically. All you have to do is let the unit do its thing, point it, and that's it. That is the XE118 detector by Andronix. I want to thank you for looking at the video. Thank you very much.